hair growth.
Sister Yemi, stick to one hair product at a time.
Here are 4 things that will change your hair game for life. Number 1, your hair porosity. You could either have a low hair porosity, a medium hair porosity, or a high hair porosity. Number 2, the thickness and texture of your hair, which could be fine, medium, and coarse. Number 3, you want to know your hair density, which could be high density, medium, or a low density. And for the star of the day, which has been highly requested, is your hair type. So it could be type 1, 2, 3, or 4, depending on how coily your hair is. So there is straight, wavy, coily, and kinky. So most of us who are Africans have kinky, or should I say coily hair. So that is type 4. So there is 4A, 4B, and 4C. So you want to check the roots of your hair to determine how coily your hair is. So all of this now would help you in better care and better growth of your hair. So do that. Check the kind of hair type you have, check the density. Any question, drop that in the comment section and I'll attend to that as soon as possible. Do you know that your hair density and your hair thickness, also referred to as texture, are 2 different things? And did you also know that your hair density determines how much products or what kinds of products you should use for your hair? Let me explain. Hair density and hair texture are 2 related but distinct characters of hair. Hair density refers to the number of hair strands per square inch of scalp. It's a measure of how closely packed your hair follicles are, and hair density can be low, medium, and high. So low is the sparse and thin, medium is the average normal, and high is the thick and the dense types of hair. While hair texture, on the other hand, is the diameter or cross-sectional area of a single strand of hair. That's the individual hair strand thickness, shape, and feel. It could be fine, it could be medium, it could be coarse. So next time when someone tells you you have fine hair or thick hair, you know exactly what they mean. One of the things I see natural girlies struggle with is length retention, hair breakage, and growing longer, thicker, and beautiful hair. So as a low porosity hair girly, I'll show you some of the tips that works for me. Leave-in conditioner helps with hair damage, split ends, and proper detangling, even damaged. If you have low porosity, try and choose water-based leave-in conditioner. Make sure your hair is damp before you apply any leave-in conditioner. You want to apply your leave-in conditioner from the root of your hair to the tip. You want to detangle your hair as you go, and you want to put your hair in a twist. And as a low porosity hair girly, you should steam your hair immediately after you do that with a plastic bag and a hair bonnet, which I prefer to do overnight, and then the next day your hair is looking soft and smooth, ready. So you see how my hair went from this to that. So the use of leave-in conditioner is basically underrated, but because I don't gatekeep, I'm letting you know today.
Is your hair reclining and have you been struggling with your hair edges? Here are 10 tips to help you with your hair growth. Number 1, reduce tension on your hair. You want to reduce tension. Avoid all those tight hairstyles on your hair, okay? It keeps reclining your hair, like it's moving back basically. Number 2, avoid chemical, most especially relaxer. It is worsening your problem, or is worsening your problem. Number 3, get hair growth oils or serum. And number 4, massage your hair. This has been proven to stimulate growth, okay? Massage in a circular motion. Keep your hair clean and fresh always. Enough of leaving your hair for 5 months, okay? Avoid picking on your hair. Number 6, stop picking on your hair. Number 7, protect your hair with protective hairstyles. Number 8, use silk hair bonnets, okay, and stop using hair nets. This is outdated. Number 9, stick to one hair product at a time. Sister Yemi, stick to one hair product at a time. Number 10, stop stressing. Stop stressing, be patient, be consistent. Your hair will grow back. I hope this helped. Like, comment, and follow for more tips. Bye.